Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about the lowly Inno coin, guys. Once again, I'm talking about the lowly Inno price prediction, that what's going on in the lowly Inno. And you know what, guys, the latest 24 hours change is going very shocked for me. I'm very sad to see these kind of changes, but I hope, guys, everything will be okay. Now, guys, you can see here, if you look the latest price of lowly Inno, so 0.00004113 USD dollar. The price of lowly is very low. And you know what, guys, due to these low price, I recommend for all of you that invest now in lowly, guys. Anyways, guys, if you are new in my channel, so please first of all subscribe my channel. Please subscribe now. Negative 8.60% changes occurred in the last 24 hours in the lowly. Furthermore, guys, if you look the price chart, so you can see here, guys, that I think they are going positive in the market, but yesterday the price very badly decreased. Just look here from a price chart is clear. Sometime price pump, but from this point you can see here, now it is time price jump again falls down, but now again you can see price jump, and now again the price falls down, and now from this point again I'm sure that the price will again increase, the price will again pump, guys. So be alert now, the huge pump of a lowly are coming soon. The huge pump of a lowly are coming soon. Alert, guys, alert. And guys, please subscribe my channel, like that more updates videos about lowly coin. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoy. Subscribe now.